I'm doing a little cute little fall makeup look for this year. We're doing it bright and early this time, yes. So I'm just going to be using my Morphe 3502 palette. This is the ultimate fall palette, so I'm going to be using this chocolatey color right here and putting it into my crease. Ooh, yeah, today we're going to do a little halo eye or whatever. Look at these lashes. I hope the other lash will look how it's supposed to. And usually I do, you know, circle, circle, swipe to blend. But I'm doing mostly patting this time. I mean, that's what I did for this eye, so. This one was so nasty. I was not here for this. So, I'm glad that people are now noticing that, you know, doing reviews all the time is BS. We need the art back, okay? We need makeup tutorials. We need the slayage, okay? We need sickening looks. I'm tired of these makeup gurus. All they do, yes, I'm gonna shout them out. Aaliyah J. She only posts a video when she knows she's getting a check out of it. Except her last video she posted, she talked about, like, she was addressing rumors. But I didn't even watch that video. I wasn't interested. I just keep seeing it in my recommendations, and it's like, maybe one of these days I'll watch it, but not now. So I used, yes, this one right above. This eyeshadow right above. And I'm going to just run over this. Okay, so I'm going to pat along, I guess, pretty much along the edge of that brown shadow. Pat. I think low key, well, what I noticed with this eye, instead of like blending in circular motions, I feel like if you just pat it in, the eyeshadows will actually eventually come together and blend out together, but that's gonna take longer than just, you know, for doing the circular motion. It'll take way longer to blend that way, but I feel like you can blend that way too. But yes, I'm losing my voice already, right? It's like, do I have to lose my voice? I don't like losing. I went to a karaoke. Yeah, now I feel like yeah, those two colors definitely just meshed. But I can't lose that brown though. At this point, yeah, it's definitely just windshield wiper motions, I guess. So I'm going to take this orange deep down inside. I wish I should have used this instead, but we're gonna do what I do with the other eye. I'm going to use this orange right here and blend out those edges, but I'm not even using it. I'm using a little bit. I'm just letting it lightly get on my brush. I'm not using a huge amount, just a light amount. Okay, now I'll go back and reverse eye this. I might have seen the Chitchat. I didn't remember Chitchat. Well, I was when Nicki-Cardi was looking crazy. Okay, nice brown. We doing the handle cut crease. I don't think this look looks like my other look too much. This has more browns. Yeah, now we're doing the circular motions. Oh, let's talk about this Nicki Minaj BS. So I'm Team Cardi in this situation, because Nicki at this point just looking like an old hag that's just hating on the, you know, the fresh meat, you know, on like new talent that's popping, whatever. She's just been doing the most these days. It doesn't look good. And she's like pushing 40. She need to get it together, honestly. But the fact that that whole brawl happened just because Nicki liked a tweet about about Cardi's parenting skills is ridiculous. Like, it's really not that deep. It's not like she wrote the tweet herself. She only liked it. If she retweeted it, yeah, that's a different story. Well, retweeting it won't be. I don't think retweeting it would be as bad as her writing it herself, but it's almost as bad. But her just liking it is a little much. Like, you don't gotta really fight her because of that. Like, she didn't write it herself. So Cardi doing the most was not that deep. Like, it was not that deep. Even if it wasn't at the Harper's Bazaar, like, it wouldn't be that deep. But the fact that she did it at the Harper's Bazaar, like, tried to fight Nicki, is even worse because it was never that serious. It wasn't that serious. She just liked the tweet. Liking the tweet is shady though. It is, but goodness. What is up with these celebrities? These celebrities got time. Like, the Harper's Bazaar is a classy event at New York Fashion Week. I'll be there in less than 5 years, but that's crazy though. Like, what? I can't believe Cardi was really acting like a friggin' hood rat. So I got this really bright concealer. It's Sable. Oh, it's sand. Sable is sand in Spanish. It's sand, number 20, Maybelline Fit Me. Oh, boy. Anywho, I didn't let it dry down all the way. That's why I just patted my whatchamacallit in, because when your concealer dry, you definitely can't swipe. So that's why I just patted it in when it was like still wet or whatever. But now, after like an hour and a half, I think it's been, this side is definitely dry. So wait, oh yeah, I am reading this. So I'm taking that chocolatey brown color again and patting it. I actually added black last, and then I'm pretty much doing the reverse of what I did before. So that chocolatey brown, and then this is next. Okay. So I'm just oh yeah, I gotta pat it in because this is definitely not. It's really tacky. I guess it was this and this put together. These two. You know, I'm gonna add black anyway. So honestly, use my little pinky to apply some black onto the outer, very outer. edge. Okay, and when I did to blend it, I legit got a little bit brown of the chocolate brown. And I would hide it to make it clear one. I guess like, I probably started expecting much, but I'll start off just hiding to that black around it. You guys look more than that. I guess my back working, so that's good. Oh, yeah, so. This is a very small brush. I'm just blending the Milani highlighter down. And trying not to mess up my eyebrow. Yeah, this is the Milani Dago Strobe Light highlighter in single powder. That's a long name for a highlighter. Hello everyone. Hey guys, what is up? This is the finished look. I hope that you like this tutorial. I tried to do a ombre lip with my lips using Limba by Colourpop and the whatchamacallit satin liquid lipstick strip in the center. Make sure you check out my Colourpop lippy swatch video in the cards up below. Well, up below, above. So yeah, so the foundation ain't important. I don't think talking about this foundation is important to this video. I ain't got no concealer on, nothing. I have whatchamacallit, a powder contour, but that's it. So you know. But yeah, that's the finished look, and you know I got Milani because my Fenty broke, but I prefer Milani anyway over Fenty. So, oh Jesus, excuse me. I didn't even talk about the lashes. Goodness. So I got these Ardell Wispies in the number 600 black. I hope that like one lash is like seen on footage. I hope so, because they're both like up now. It's, well, it seems like they look like they're both up now, because in my other video, for some reason last time I wore them, it looked like I only had one lash on when I had both lashes on. I don't know what happened. So hopefully now you can see both lashes. For some reason I can't find them both so you guys can see it, but anywho, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hope that you enjoyed this tiny little chit chat, well, this tutorial, this fall makeup tutorial with a little bit of a chit chat. Hope that you enjoyed this video though, and you like this look. I still believe this eye looks way better than this eye. I was like, but thanks for watching, guys. Next time I gotta do better, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, turn on post notifications. Also, thanks so much, and deuces.